Good morning, Ape Nation. I hope all is well, and I hope that everyone is taking advantage of the manipulation-induced dip buying opportunity that has presented itself this morning. This is wonderful news. Heck, anytime you see these synthetic shares go on sale, it's wonderful news. I'd love to buy your synthetic shares, Mr. Hedgy Man, at a greater discount than I'm going to be able to buy them at next week. So thank you so much, Hedgy Mans, because all of you are making my dreams come true. Maybe my dreams haven't come true today, other than the fact that I get your synthetic shares for much cheaper. But guess what? The day is coming, the time is coming when all of us apes are going to rejoice as we enjoy the fruits of our labor. Labor being defined as hodling and buying and hodling. And for the love of King Kong, please tell me that every ape here listening right now understands that fruits is defined as bananas and bananas only. I do not want to see apes walking around with apples. I do not want apes walking around with oranges. I do not want to see apes walking around with pears. There are only two types of apes in this world: the ones that buy and the ones that hodl. And when you breed them two together, you get some hybrid, crazy ass apes that do both, buy and hodl. Which one of the two are you? Or are you the third one of the two? And before you answer that in the comments below, let me ask you one question. Do you remember your duty to the apes? Do you remember the oath that you swore when you enlisted in the ape army? Do you remember the 3 ape commandments? Let me remind you: buy, hodl, and for ape's sakes, please remove all of your stop losses so you're not working for the Hedgy Man. Now go and share this with all of your ape friends so that they're all well prepared, just like you, when the situation arrives again. So they're all prepared right now. But do not forget to smash that like button before you leave. Do not forget to subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. We are Ape Nation. We are Ape Army. We are Ape Strong. So if you fully understand your duty and your obligation to the ape kind, then you may be dismissed, and I fully authorize you to go and get your bananas. Congrats, ladies and gentlemen, you've made it to the end of the video. If you like what you watched, make sure you subscribe, because I put out videos just like this one every single day. And please do me a favor and smash that like button if I helped you in any way, because it really goes a long way in helping the channel out and keeps me motivated to make videos every single day. Now, there's a lot of work involved, a lot of research, and a lot of time and effort into editing and putting these out daily for you guys. You can subscribe from your screen right now, or if you want to watch one of my other videos, I'm sure YouTube has some good content picked out for you on the left-hand side of your screen now. Thanks for sticking it out with me till the end, and I will see you guys in the next video.